Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the internal structure of heart. Now we will discuss about the functioning of the heart. For that, once again, we should observe the internal structure of the heart diagram. We know that our heart is conical shaped muscular organ, consists of 4 chambers. Upper chambers are called as auricles, lower chambers are called as ventricles. Our heart is separated as left portion and right portion. With help of a separation that is called septum. This part is left portion, this part is right portion. Left portion is filled with oxygenated blood, right portion is filled with deoxygenated blood. How these oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is filled? Means pulmonary veins collect oxygenated blood from the lungs and drains into the left auricle. From left auricle, it will drains into the left ventricle. So, left portion is filled with oxygenated blood. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood and that drains into the right auricle. From right auricle to right ventricle, deoxygenated blood is supplied. So, right portion is filled with deoxygenated blood. Now we will discuss about the functioning of the heart. Do you know our heart is called as pumping organ? It will pumps the blood. Means now we should discuss about the cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle means one systole and one diastole of atria and ventricle is known as cardiac cycle. Systole means contraction phase is called as systole. Relaxation phase is called as diastole. One systole and one diastole of heart is known as cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle needs 0.8 seconds. We know that doctors examine our heartbeat rate with stethoscope, that is 72 per minute. So, when hearing the heartbeat, doctors will heard the sound that is lub dub. How this lub dub is produced? We will explain about the cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle has 3 phases. The first phase is joint diastole. It needs 0.4 seconds. Atrial systole, it needs 0.11 to 0.14 seconds. Ventricle systole, it needs 0.27 to 0.34 seconds. That means cardiac cycle needs 0.8 seconds. First, if we think that or if we imagine that all 4 chambers are in relaxed position, that is joint diastole. In joint diastole, atria is filled with blood. Next, atrial contraction starts. In that atrial contraction, oxygenated blood drains from left auricle to left ventricle. Deoxygenated blood drains from right auricle to right ventricle. How? Due to the pressure, bicuspid valve opens and oxygenated blood drains from left auricle to left ventricle. Tricuspid valve opens and it drains from right auricle to right ventricle. Now, due to auricle or atrial contraction, what happened? Ventricles are filled with blood. In third step, ventricle contraction starts. Due to ventricle contraction, oxygenated blood from left ventricle flows into the aorta, and from right ventricle, deoxygenated blood flows into pulmonary artery. In this phase, there is a chance of backflow of the blood. That means from ventricles to auricles. To avoid the backflow of the blood, bicuspid and tricuspid valves are closed. Then we will hear a loud voice, that is lub. Then ventricles relaxation starts. Due to that, pressure decreases, so there is a chance of backflow of the blood from aorta and pulmonary arteries. To prevent that, systemic valves and pulmonary valves close. Then we will hear a slow voice, that is duh. Like this, heart is filled with blood and pumped to various organs. This is known as cardiac cycle. Our heart is made up of with cardiac muscle. It works involuntarily. So our heart always pumps the blood. This is known as cardiac cycle. Are you clear?